All right, so for this project, first you're going to go into Illustrator and you are going to trace basically an object or something that goes along with your theme. It has to be closed, right? So it's just the outline of this man holding a camera, okay? So in Illustrator, I'm going to select the whole thing and I'm going to push Control C for copy. Next, I'm going to go into Photoshop. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to go up to here to print, letter. How you have it oriented is totally up to you depending on what kind of images you have. And again, we're always going to title this name of the project and then our name. Okay. Now I'm going to hit create. So the first thing that you want to do in Photoshop is go over here to your layers menu and you're going to unlock. Okay. Next, you're going to hit Control V for paste. And you want to make sure that it's a path. Push OK. So now your background is transparent, and I know that because it has that checker pattern. And my path is now filled in with white. So next, what you're going to do, go up to File and Open, and you should have your images already saved. So I'm going to choose this guy and this guy here. Go to Open. Okay. So I'm going to use this image for my clipping mask. Again, I need to make sure that it is unlocked over here in my layers panel. If you can't find your layers panel, again, you can always go over here to window, and then everything that you can possibly find on the right hand side will be here. So obviously it's got that check mark. So now I'm going to take my marquee tool, the one just below your move tool, right? And I'm going to click the area that I want to use. Okay, so now I have that selected. I'm going to hit Control C for copy. Going back to my original image, and I'm going to hit Control and V for paste. All right, so my image is on top, my clipping mask is down below. So on my image layer, I'm going to right click, go to clipping mask. I can also take my move tool. If I wanted to get a certain spot, some of that water in there, I can do so with using my move tool right over here. So now I have everything except for the background. So I'm going to go over here. Oops, that's the first image I had. Go over here. So this will be my background. I'm going to again unlock. I'm going to use my marquee tool. Oop, here we go. So everything's selected. Control and C. Back over here. Control V for paste. Now, this is a little bit large for what I'm wanting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out here. I'm going to scale this by hitting Control T, which stands for transform. That way I can just scale it like I would in Illustrator, make sure that I have my whole canvas covered. So there you have it. Press Enter. So that blue box is now gone. But I need this layer to be at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to take it all the way to the bottom. So below my clipping mask. And there you have it. Then you can go over here to File, Save As, save on your computer, save on your computer. And right over here, down to Save Type As, you're going to save it as a PDF. And then you'll just upload it to Canvas.